Bee swarms are a fascinating sight, especially when they originate from our own hives. April marks the peak season for swarming, and every year we typically capture between 4 to 8 swarms. To maximize our catch, we place swarm traps around our orchard, especially near active beehive zones. These traps work really well. We have tried others, but the bees seem to like these ones the most. Once a swarm occupies a trap, we transfer the bees into a box, supplementing them with frames of brood and honey from our robust hives to ensure they have ample food stores. On this occasion, we skipped the honey frame but provided fresh honey, which they eagerly consumed. I really like these traps, but I give you a helpful tip. Spray some swarm lure on them, usually made with lemongrass oil. It helps attract the bees. Using products like Swarm Commander has always been successful for us.